I personally believe that Neanderthals and early Homo sapiens, for sure, had language. For sure, they talked to one another. It's impossible that they didn't. The point came when they did. They did. And the Neanderthals, 800,000 years of rule, live in Europe. They had to deal with the Ice Age. They all live together. They bring up their children. You think they couldn't speak anything? They have the same apparatus. And if you have a human brain, then it responds to stimulus. And the more stimulus there is for communication, I mean, the idea that you and I are out hunting rhino and you say, Lex, well, shut up, I'm constant, Lex. And I suddenly think, oh, I get it. You are Lex, right? You only have to do that once, then you know who I am. So I know that I'm me and that you are you. So people who say that they couldn't distinguish ego and all that, it's absolutely stupid. If you cut your hand with a knife, you sure as hell experience it. You sure as hell do. It hurts. It hurts a lot. You might even bleed to death. But it's not somebody else's hand. And it's your hand and it's your existence and your life that's threatened. You think people weren't conscious that they were an entity? I don't believe it.
And they probably had a way to express that with sounds.
Well, eventually, yes. Names. I mean, names are things. And then you have the idea that a label fixes to something. Then the light bulb has gone on, and next minute you have rhino and you have skin and you have babies because I think you have an idea, and the idea then drives the brain, and the brain has another idea. It works like fertility.